The clouds are moving fast again. I'm just cleaning up the stairs here. I got a lot to do. Take a little breather. I'm gonna enjoy these clouds moving for a second. I guess growing up I never remembered the clouds moving so fast, or I just didn't take the time to sit down and look at them. But now that I'm an adult and I notice all the small things, almost more things than other people don't notice, but look how fast they're just moving above in the sky up so high. Way bigger than I am right now. They don't look that big. Anyways, enjoy the little snow show. What I should have done was put this on the hyperlapse. That would have been cool. Oh, maybe I'll try that.